Hey, this is Chuck from Jockey Machine. Wanted to give everybody an open box preview of Revival's signature complete Mo.Unit Blue installation bundle. It's a mouthful. Say that 3 times fast. And yes, the t-shirt I'm wearing is a very old MotoGP reference. Alright, so let's dig in. So this is one of the things that I have been waiting on a while for because there has been supply chain issues, and Revival has been very good at making sure that I was kept aware of where they were in talking with Motogadget and others to get this here as soon as humanly possible. That's a lot of stuff. What else we got there? Well, we got stickers, we got cards. That's good. Don't need that anymore. Alright, so this here, Mo.Unit Blue. This is the brains of the operation. Looks like they may have opened it just to verify that everything is good. Also a little warning on there. Once the steel has been broken on this package, the item is considered non-returnable. So let's hope it works. Let's open this thing up, see what it looks like. Yes, this is the little unit that I have been waiting to see. This is the Mo.Unit Blue. This is going to allow me to take old CB550 wiring, consolidate it into this solid state, basically like circuit breaker, and brain, and allow me to be able to configure turn signals, high beam, low beam, buttons, all kinds of good stuff via my phone. How great's that? Motogadget has been producing these for a little while now. They did have a basic unit, which they stopped producing, and they fully moved over to this blue unit for Bluetooth interface. It then also comes with a little pack. Looks like some grounding wires, some termination bolts and such for the power and stuff that will be going to it. So that looks good. That is going to be fun to wire up. So that's the brains, and here's all the legwork. So this is what Revival puts together for you to give you all this wire, all different colors, to ensure that everything goes through where it needs to go. They have all the little ferrules here. These, if you can see them there, these are all the little ferrules that you're going to use. You're going to crimp them on the end of this, I think it's like 24 or 20 gauge wire that allows you to nicely crimp everything off and put it into the Mo.Unit Blue. They also throw in here, looks like a cap for fuses. They got a nice little, looks like Terminator here. Well, actually there's a document in here that tells us exactly what the name of these things are. Let's see, this is the wiring kit. So we got power feed stuff here, we got inputs, we got outputs. This is all the wiring. Gives you a nice little diagram for all your wiring, where all the wiring goes and what it's supposed to be connected to. So that's good. It's got the Wago 5-pole lever nut, which is this little baby. That's for 2412 AWG, 600 volt. Heat shrink is in here. We got the connectors along with terminations, things, tons of needed zip ties if you don't have your own. Shrink wrap. Alright, so that's in that bag. This bag is the comprehensive Loom kit. And this does look very comprehensive. It has a big bag. Comes with a nice little diagram of what's in there, the length of everything, the type of harness tape it comes with. Also then gives you parameters on the back of each. So we got multitude of different types of shrink tubing. The very nice cloth loom. So that'll bundle up everything very nicely. It's the kind that's split and you just let it go and it rolls everything back up. So that comes in what looks like three or four different sizes. Then you have this harder loom. It's a little bit more rigid. I guess this is, yes, this is PVC vinyl loom. And this comes in multiple sizes, this thicker stuff, all the way down to this little thin stuff. So, and then you got this Tessa hardness tape. So I'm assuming we're going to be using this to go ahead and tie off any loose ends, making sure the wires aren't going everywhere, and making everything look all nice, prettying it up. So that is the kit. That's what was in the box. You know, the switches that I have for Motogadget that's going to tie into this, the starter solenoid and a bunch of other things, all were purchased through Revival Cycle, who does a very good job of giving you these wonderful little sheets inside with descriptions, how to do things. They have wonderful how-tos on the website, so you can actually watch a few of the folks go through and actually give you everything from stripping your wires down to terminating and crimping. So great stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna organize all this stuff. I'm gonna probably put everything out and wire it onto a big piece of cardboard of where I need things to go, how I want to do it, see what looms are gonna go where, and then we'll start probably drilling some holes in the handlebars for switches. And then I'll start moving most of this wiring harness into the bike. I'll be trying to get as much this on video as possible, and that'll be in my tutorial section. This video will be up in my previews, and then we'll do a review of the Mo.Unit and the wiring loom after we're done putting it together. Give you a quick idea of how easy was it, and if we enjoyed it, and how well the bike works. Because really, this is about all we got to do other than paint and upholstery. This is the last big step to finally fire this bike up and see how well she sounds. So thanks for everything. Leave some comments if you've purchased the Revival Signature Complete Mo.Unit Blue installation bundle. It's a mouthful. Let us know what you think of the videos, if you've gotten anything out of it, and if you've done this before, I'd love to hear your comments and any sort of responses that you guys have for it. Go ahead and subscribe, and thanks for everything. Talk to you later.